The Ukrainian armed forces once again used a drone to attack Moscow. Russian anti-aircraft gunners intercepted the drone near the village of Borisovka without any damage to residents or buildings. The Russian forces, in turn, launched a combined strike on enemy facilities all over Ukraine. The military airfields of Starokostiantyniv and Kanatove came under fire, and a series of explosions also took place in Vinnytsia. Meanwhile, fierce fighting continues on the fronts along the entire line of contact. Near Kupiansk, Russian troops forced the AFU out of several plantations south of Lyman-Pershai and entered the village of Sinkivka. To the southeast, the Russian armed forces managed to cut into the enemy's defenses in the vicinity of the abandoned village of Zahoruikivka. The AFU command hastily transferred reserves to the area to reinforce the second defensive line. At the same time, near Kreminna, Russian troops occupied enemy strongholds east of the village of Terny. The AFU unsuccessfully tried to counterattack, suffering losses in manpower and equipment. In the Soledar direction, the Russian armed forces continue to attack enemy positions north of Bakhmut. Over the past few days, Russian assault units have managed to expand their zone of control south of the Berkivska Reservoir. In addition, the Russian armed forces liberated Kromove, a village northwest of Bakhmut. Control over this settlement provides an opportunity for further offensive in the direction of Chasiv Yar. On the southern flank, Russian troops continue to actively fight along the Klishchivka-Andriivka line. At the same time, the Russian armed forces are trying to advance towards Ivanivsky and occupy the residential area on the southwestern outskirts of Bakhmut. In the Donetsk direction, Russian troops continue their operation to encircle the Avdiivka fortified area. At the moment, the Russian Armed Forces Command is rotating and pulling up additional forces to resume assault operations in the area. In the Orikhiv sector, fighting remains predominantly positional. From time to time, Russian units conduct assaults, occupying more tactically advantageous lines. In the Kherson direction, Ukrainian Marines continue to control the central part of Krinky and conduct sorties to the south. The Russian armed forces are firing at the AFU positions in the almost completely destroyed village, but they have not yet managed to eliminate the foothold.